Welcome to a new video, dear kids. Guess the color name. Yellow, red, pink, black, white, green, blue, sky blue, parrot, orange, brown, and purple. We are going to complete our video with these beautiful colors. Let's write capital letters from A to Z. The first alphabet letter is a. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. Right. S. T. U. V. W. Ten. Y. Z. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Bye bye, kids.